deciding if I want to fall or not. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Jake's smiling right now. Okay.
Get that tree, boss.
Part 2 of today's work is this big tree. I don't even honestly know what this tree is. I don't know, some type of maybe willow, judging by the way these leaves are. I got some space here to fall some stuff. There's a septic lids here, and then there's this cherry blossom tree here. Can't mess up either one of those. Fence right here, it was wrecked previously because a big limb snapped off the back of it, which is why I'm here to remove it. That limb popped off and slammed this fence. Now I'm gonna climb it and just piece it out until I can just fall some lengths into this little zone right here. Eric, I'm about to hit you in the helmet with this little flopper. Okay. Well, that is hardwood. This is a weird tree to spike into because it's like kind of treacherous. There we go. Oh, really peely. Really peely. Look at that. We're gonna have some fun with this. My crew is messed up. Let it down some? Yeah, just keep letting it down. It's off. How's the weight? Well, that piece was dead, so. Woo! Gaffed out. Watch that cherry blossom. What do you think about this whole piece? Okay, you're on. Perfect. Uh-oh. Some dogs are over there getting at it. Slice cut. Alright, next piece. Peel it down. We want destruction. Probably gonna keep it away from that little tree over there. This limb's completely tore off, barely hanging on the tree, so it's like I almost need to capture those together when I cut this limb right here, so that when I lower this one down, this one might be holding that one up and that might peel off and break off. What's going on over here with this? Yeah, okay, here we go. Yeah, that sounded fantastic. Careful lowering that down. We got hangers up here coming down. Just watch that little tree to your left, Jake. There you go, perfect. Hingy. That's cool. Now I want to get this further out on the limb because then it'll drop less the further out on the limb this is. See that? Swing right back to me. 1 second. Let me try to push it first before it comes towards me. Perfect. You're on a redirect crotch up here. Gotta protect the little blossom tree. They said they planted that when their daughter was born, so We don't want to drop a tree on it. I'm gonna get this bigger chainsaw so I can cut this whole piece off right here. I just don't want to waste my battery on my saw. Two saws again. They call me two saws. Dick's shaking his head at me. There we go. Well, we successfully got rid of the limb over the tree we had to protect. Now let's work on this backside. This whole branch is off the tree. So I think I'm just gonna put this whole rope around all of this and just bundle it all down in one. I'll probably actually get this limb below first and then bundle all this in one pick. I'm gonna cut it now here so it'll come down more. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, I'm good. That's what a helmet's for. Wouldn't call it a hit. Hit and run. Hit and let it run. Maybe it'll make for a good YouTube clip. It's all gonna snag up in this. It's not gonna fall out. Hang on. It's all you. There it goes. Alright, this whole branch next. Looks like we're on this side of the fence. Perfect, we'll take it. So I've come back down because I want to assess this tree and see if it's something I would be comfortable falling. It's pretty straight as far as the center goes. It's got a little bit of back lean. Good size leader coming out. That creates a bunch of back lean weight. And then this leader over here, which is kind of pulling it forward towards the house. I need to take a look at this. Yeah, I'm kind of walking around this thing deciding if I want to fall or not. Septic lid's right here. Cherry blossom tree right there. Can't be touched. The fir, we're not worried about. I can use a come along off the center stem. No, I'm good. Thanks, man. That should hold. This could work. Perfect. Okay. Let's start with that. Were you pulling pretty hard?
Yeah, it's starting to get a little difficult.
Okay. Let's start my climb line in it, but that doesn't matter. It's not going to do anything. This is the only part I care about, is this rope runner, because it's so expensive. And it's back here with me, nice and safe. I hope it's not hollow in the center. It felt like it was. Oh, it's not. That's good. Look at that perfect face cut right there.
Where is it?
Perfect.
Oh.
What do you think?
That one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that looks pretty perfect.
It got really soft halfway through, and I'm like, oh no, I hope this isn't hollow. Yeah, really soft in the center there.
Maybe you just hit your power band.
Hit the power band. That's perfect. I go right where we want it. When I was doing the top part of the face cut, it kind of started to pinch a little bit, which is good. I mean, it's kind of pulling forward, but could have been my imagination too. I'm gonna start the back cut. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. It's perfect. That hinge, that wood is not great because look how powdery it is right here.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, we're gonna start cranking now. Luckily, I had really good holding wood on the bottom side towards the house.
Mm-hmm.
But look at that. That's not good holding wood. I knew why I got soft because it was so dry.
Yeah.
But it fit perfectly. Missed the tree. Yeah. Yeah.
Forget it.
We're good on the septic lids. Good on the patio. Perfect on the chipper. Look, didn't touch the fur. Look at it fit perfectly right here.
I saw the whole tree coming out of the window. I was like, I think they're supposed to give us a warning.
Oh, you didn't hear us go timber? No.
Like an accident, to be honest.
Anything but. That fit perfectly. That's a perfect falling job.
Yeah.
Now it's time to start bucking this thing up. These guys are gonna start chipping. We're into the cleanup now.
Oh my gosh.
What happened?
Dude.
Not another bird.
Dead.
Did we do that?
Oh my gosh.
Was he in the tree?
Up in the tree.
Oh no, not another possum.
What, you think a dog got it? Dude, this definitely fell out of it.
How's the dog gonna get in a tree?
Yeah, you're crazy, Jake.
What the heck?
Brought it out just in case.
You know I'm in the Air Force because I put a remove before flight lanyard on my ding-a-ling.
Why'd you do that? You like your
keychain.
job at the Air Force?
Not really.
Why'd you bring it to tree work with you?
Hiya!
Because you're proud of it.